pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hey everyone, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi. I'm real glad you clicked on this video. I do hope that you will stay, watch the video, enjoy it, maybe think about subscribing to this channel, and let me know if you do down in the comments below, and let me know your favorite color. I really do love getting to know you guys and connecting with you guys. I have an Ipsy on unbagging today, unboxing, unbagging, and it's the $12 a month subscription. They do have 3 different subscriptions, and lately I've been loving this regular glam bag. You've been getting so much for your money. Like even if you get one full-size product, or even if it's all like 5 deluxe size samples, it's usually so worth it. And I'm already seeing like a brush in here, which is a full-size item, and it is either Complex Culture or LaRousse, and I'm thinking this is all over shadow brush, and it is Complex Culture. Ooh, this looks great. I like their brushes. Awesome. So this here is the bag. I've seen this bag before. I think that I got a similar bag when I got my welcome kit when I re-signed back up for Ipsy. So they might be reusing a bag. So you might get a double bag, just let you know, the same kind. Okay, so we've got all of the items that are in my bag listed on this card, and the brush has a value of $18. Yeah, that already makes the bag so worth it. And then it looks like we have got, ooh, deluxe size sample. Ooh, this might even be a full size eyeshadow primer. The Beauty Crop. I'm getting to know this brand, and this brand has got some pretty good, I believe, no, Beauty Creations has the eyelashes. Beauty Crop. Do you guys know of this brand? I'm pretty sure I've gotten products from them before, but I can't recall what it is now. So this here says the Beauty Crop Stuck On You eyeshadow primer. It's kind of heavy. The difference between eyeshadow that smears in seconds and eyeshadows that last for hours. Well, yeah, obviously you need a primer, you know? Yeah. Okay, so this here has an MSRP. It's full size, or the full size is $16.50. Let's see. It looks like it's, if this is not a full size, it's definitely pretty darn big. It's got a safety seal on it, which I love. Things with safety seals are usually so much better. Like packaging, you don't have to really worry about things getting damaged, which I love. This here is giving me an issue opening. All right. So it might take me a little bit longer to open something with a safety seal, but I definitely prefer them. Okay, I've been using MAC Paint Pot for like ever. Oh, this looks like a concealer. Only use a teeny bit. A little goes a long way. Okay, so let me, ooh, it's super creamy. Super creamy. Super creamy. And it just blends in like a primer does. I'm super excited. You can't see the coloring because it blended in, but I'm excited to use this. Okay, so 2 awesome products so far. Let's see. We have the Jersey Shore Cosmetics Watermelon Moisture Rich Hydrating Balm, and this is a full size too. Can you believe this? Wow. Okay, $10. Wow, that's a lot though for a balm. But this here, I always love getting balms. I mean, I got a lot this year, but I'll tell you what, summer's coming and I love me some watermelon. Oh yeah, it smells amazing. Jackson's like, watermelon? Not the food, Jackson. Alright, so here it is here. It's just like a chapstick. Feels like a chapstick. Smells amazing. And I will definitely be putting that in my purse. Alright, let's see what else we got here. Oh, they got a deluxe size Bum Bum Cream. Coco Cabana? No. Yeah? Coco Cabana Cream. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is like half full. And it's a deluxe size sample. Oh, it smells amazing. I love these. The full-size version of this is 240 mLs and is $45. Wow. I do love these. And this is like There's like hardly anything in it. It's not even filled up to the top. So, maybe the other products are making up for that. Okay, so let's just put some on here. Oh, this stuff smells so good. Oh, and it's got such a nice hydrating without a greasy feeling. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm ready for the beach. I smell like the beach. I love this. Okay, so what is the last product? Amino Bubble pH Cleanser. Fresh moisturizing, a mild foam cleanser that treats your skin directly by removing only unnecessary skin waste with soft and rich amino bubble. Okay. This is by Looks and Me Cosmetic. I never heard of that.
What?
This is a deluxe sample. And the MSRP is $15. Oh my gosh, so we got 3 full-size products and 2 deluxe size samples for $12. This is a deluxe size sample. This is a deluxe size sample. And the rest of these are full size. It says it on here. So the primer, this here, the watermelon balm, and then the brush. This is an excellent bag. What do you think, guys? And of course, pretty much everything fits right here in this little bag. So we could just pile on everything back in here and we are good to go. I'm loving that. Awesome! Way to go, Ipsy! Okay, guys, so that's what I have for my unboxing today. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I always enjoy getting my boxes, and hopefully the Boxycharm will start coming in and the other ones as well. And I will see you guys real soon in one of them. Bye!